and welcome back to the channel. That's Diane's Decorating and More. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel today. I truly appreciate you and appreciate your support. Okay, you leaving comments and subscribing to the channel, guys. I truly appreciate that. Today I'm sharing with you this spicy mango coleslaw. Okay, all the ingredients will be listed in the content section for you, so you will have and know firsthand how I put together this delicious salad. It's a salad that can be used with any meal, guys, and it is very tasty and bursting with flavor. Okay, so let's get started on this coleslaw. Okay, guys, this is Diane's Decorating and More, and thank you for stopping by the channel on today. I'm sharing with you how I put together my spicy mango coleslaw, and this can be served with your weekly meals, or it can be served by itself. Okay, it is just basically a coleslaw, and it has a lot of ingredients in it and that are very tasty and very flavorful. Okay, and if you choose to use this recipe that you see here, leave me a comment and let me know how it turned out for you, or if you would do something different. Okay, please be sure to share that with me in the comments. Okay, so let's get started on this coleslaw. First up, we're going to go ahead and put in our coleslaw that's already been cut. All right, next up, we're going to go ahead and add in our cilantro and our tomatoes, and also I have in here some green onion that's been cut. All right, it's very tasty because it has that little south of the border kind of taste to it, and that's exactly what I'm looking for this particular coleslaw here. All right, and the colors are going to be very pretty. All right, if you're a type of person like me, I like a lot of color in my food, so that's exactly what I'm trying to achieve here, is make sure that I put all of that, color in there to make it pop, really nice color. All right, so we're going to go ahead and add in some black beans. Okay, and I would say about a cup of those would be sufficient to add to the coleslaw. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and add in a half a cup of mayonnaise, real mayonnaise. Okay, I'm trying it out with a half a cup because I'm trying to just be conservative in terms of what I use in the salad. If I need to add some more, hey, I'll step in there and get some more out and add it. Just that simple. All right, next up, we're going to go ahead and add in our mangoes. Now, you can use fresh mangoes on this, guys, or you can use canned mango. Okay, this is canned mango, and it's made by Dole. Okay, comes in a can that is 15 ounces. Okay, and all I did was take them out because they come in whole slices, and just took it out, cut it up into bite-sized pieces like that. Okay, bite-sized pieces. That's exactly what I did. All right, so we're going to go ahead and add those in there. All right, and then we're going to take our toss spoon right quick. I'm just going to toss that in there with the coleslaw. It should be very tasty in terms of what the flavor offers for you guys, because you're going to have a mix of everything in there. Okay, and this is very healthy, I can say so myself. that mango gives it that little pop of sweetness that you're looking for in a coleslaw. Along with the pepper in there and the onion. Yes, indeed. And it's not too wet and it's not too dry. It's just right. Just right, guys. Yes, look at that. Those black beans really, really stand out in there. All right. That looks delicious. It really, really does. I like that. Just the right amount of mayo. Yes, it is. Okay, now we're going to add some seasonings in there. And that's just a touch of garlic powder, black pepper, salt, onion powder, and some of the McCormick crushed red pepper to give it that little kick. I'm just adding as I go. And I'll taste it. Like I always tell you, taste your food, guys. You know what you like. You know how you like it. Okay. It smells good. It really does. Alright, so let's taste this. I like that. That means I can add a little more of that crushed red pepper. That's what I'm looking for, that crushed red pepper. I'm going to stir that in there. Oh yeah, that looks excellent. It really does. I like what I see. I like what I see, guys. Yes, yes, yes. I like what I see. All right. So that is it right there. And that's your spicy mango coleslaw. All right, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, so that way you'll know exactly what else like this little cute little salad or cute little coleslaw put together for you guys is added to the channel. All righty. Okay. And thank you once again for stopping by the channel, guys. Y'all go out and have a great one. And we'll see you guys in the next video.